Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss our new topic, that is simple interest. That is of chapter number 9. Before we start this topic, let me clear what is the concept of interest, only the interest. Suppose you give some amount of money to your friend for some time. After that period of time, your friend returns that money to you with some extra amount. Why? Because he asks money for the help, for the purpose, not help, for the purpose. You give the money, but you need some charges. Okay, you said that no, I am giving you the money for item, but whenever you return, you must give some rent. You must give some extra amount, so that I must be profitable. I must be beneficiary means that person gives you the money, you return you the money, and then he gives some extra money for the charge of that. That extra charge is known as your interest, and this interest is calculated in mathematics in two ways: simple interest and compound interest. Compound interest we discuss afterwards. Today we are going to discuss only the simple interest. Before discuss, we are going to discuss some concepts, some terms. First term is your principal, not your class principal. Principal is the amount which is given, the main amount. Suppose I am giving rupees 100 to one of my friend, so that 100 is the principal. Then for which time, suppose I am giving that 100 rupees for 1 month, so that is the time period, or for 1 year, that is the time period. So this is your time. Always remember that in case of simple interest, time always measured in year form. So if it is in month, you must convert into year by dividing 12. If it is in days, you must convert by dividing 365 into year. Then rate of interest. So whenever I ask some interest on that 100 rupees, that must be some unique concept. So I said no, you take this 100 rupees, and whenever you can give me extra 10% of this amount. So my friend, after 1 year, he returned not only 100 rupees plus 10% of that principal, 10% of that 100 rupees. It's a total figure is 110. So that is your rate. Rate always in percent form, and it is maybe per annum, or PA means per annum. Then how, on the basis of these two, we can easily find out the simple interest, extra income. It is no simple interest. We write in short, it's SI equals to, for principal we use the great alphabet P, for time use capital T, and for R we use capital R. So in short we can write down P into R into T upon 100. This is the formula where K represents principal, R represents rate of interest, T represents time, and it's 100. So from this we can find out the SI of interest, it is simple interest of the given sum. Then after this SI, we have a new word, amount. This amount is nothing but your principal P and sum of simple interest SI. Means sum of this and this is known as your amount. Means that amount returned back to you. That is your amount. From this formula, we can easily find out some derive some other formula. For example, suppose we are going to find out the time. So for time, we use the formula. We are going to find out the rate. So for rate, we are using means from this we can easily find out any unknown thing. We need there are four quantities, and if anyone is missing, then with the help of other three we can easily find out the next one. So let's start. Today we are going to discuss some only 4 or 5 questions of your exercise. Now, and first we discuss the first question so that you clear your topic. It says that what is the simple interest for 1 year, 4 months on a sum of rupees 25,800 at the rate of 14%. So what is given to you in this case, we must write down as usual first item given thing. It's a time is first given. So time equals to 1 year, 4 months. And this time is not in year, complete year. So you can write down 1 plus, you convert 4 months only into year. Now you can write down whole in year. Ultimately what we have? 12 1 12 plus 4, 16 upon 12 year. Leave as it is. It is solved later. Then it is given that your principal amount, sum means principal. Principal is your rupees 25,800. This is your principal. Then rate is given to you. 14% per annum. How we find the sum? So we can easily find the simple interest. We must write formula every time. Write down the principal and rate, then time. This is 60 upon 12. So we can easily write down 100 into 12. See here, it is on the 12 2s are 24, 18 is there, 12 1 are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 1 are 12, 6 is 12, 5s are 0. It's cancelled at 12. Now this 0 cancelled by this one, 5 2s are 250 is there, so 5 4s are and 5 3s are and 2 8. What we have to do first write down how many horse percentage to first write down 43 into 14 into 8. Now whenever you solve this amount, it's we have 4,860. You must check it. Here the solution. This is question number 1. Now I am going to solve question number 3 that side. So first discuss what is the question number 3. Question number 3 says that a sum of rupees 3,200 that principal becomes rupees 34,056 BLN becomes means that is your amount in 2 years time in 2 years at a certain rate of simple interest. Rate is not given. What is the rate of interest per annum? To find out the rate of interest. So in this case, only three things is given. One is your principal, other is your amount, third one is your time. So in principal, it is given rupees 3,200. Amount given rupees 33,456. Time is your 2 years. So from this we know that amount equals to SI plus principal. So SI equals to amount minus principal. We place the amount 34,056 minus 3,200. We can easily find out it's 256 rupees. SI we have. Now we don't have rate percent. So we can easily write down rate equals to SI into 100 by principal into time. SI is 256, 100 by principal 3200 into time 2. 2 0 remove, 2 1 the 2 2 the 2 4 2 8 so 28, 32, 32 it's a 4 jar, 32 4 jar. So rate of interest is your 4% per annum. This is the solution of question number 3. Now we discuss two more questions and then in today's work. Now question number 4, it says that in question number 4, find the principal. This time principal is not given. Principal is not given. So find the principal on which a simple interest of rupees 55 will be obtained after 9 months at the rate of 3 whole 2 upon 3% per annum. So something is given, something is not given. You will find out the principal, but we have to change the simple SI is given. Rupees 55. Time is given. Equals to 9 upon 12 here. Then what is given? Rate. Given 3 whole 2 upon 3%. That is you can write down per annum. You can write down 339 to 11 upon 3% per annum. So again we have this time we have one thing is missing, that is the principal. So principal equals to SI into 100 by RT. SI is given 55. Rate is given 11 upon 3 and time is given 9 upon 12. When we simplify this one, we can easily write down 55 into 100 by 11. For 3 is going upward into 9, 12 going upward. Solve one by one. Eleven five is 3 3 is 3 4 is it's rupees 2,000. This is your answer. Now I am going to discuss new question number 7. In this question it says that a person deposited rupees 400 for 2 years, 550 for 4 years, and 1200 for 6 years. They are different amount, different. Sorry, principal is different. At the same rate of simple interest. Rate is different, rate is same, time is different, principal is different. If he received total interest of rupees 1 interest, total SI is 1020 rupees. What is the rate of interest per annum? Rate of interest is same. So little bit tricky one. That's why I have used the question 7 to solve. They are different principles first, but rate is not given. So let the rate equals to x. You can say rate is x. Now 400 for 2 years. There are different conditions. I am adding first condition. Principal is your 400. Rupees 400 time is your 2 year. So SI 1. I am using the abbreviation SI 1 equals to PRT, that is 2 into 400 into x upon 100. We can take this in, it's a 8x. So for the for second case, we can give principal is given, it's your 550 time is your 4 year. SI2, second SI is your, I am adding diagonal formula, but in your copy you must add one formula. It's 550 into 4 into x upon 100. 2 is 2, 5 is 5, 11. It's 22x. Then in third condition, we know that principal equals to 1200 and the time is 6 years. So SI3 equals to 1200 72 months. Now we have all three sum of money and rest in terms of unknown where quantity x. Now it says that if we receive a total interest rupees 1020, so according to question, it's 8x plus 22x plus 72x equals to 1020. And then we simplify 13, it's 102x equals to 1020. It's x equals to 1020 by 102 equals to 10% per annum. This is your rate of interest. Clear? It is your solution of question number 7. Now your homework is try to solve up to question number 8. Solve 9a. Try to solve exercise 9a. Rest of some questions up to 8. Okay. 1 to 8, not all. 1 to 8. We'll discuss the rest questions 9, 10, 11, 12 tomorrow. That's all for today. Thank you. And remember, if video is very, so keep patience. Try to reach up to the maximum stage of the syllabus. Thank you.